I cannot believe I'm about to say this, but we just lost our house in the Palisades fire. Everything is gone. My mom had just enough time to pick up her dogs, her purse, and get out. There was no time to evacuate. Everything is gone. My childhood photos, my yearbooks, my everything, my toys I was going to give my kids. Every sentimental thing went up. And my mom,
photos, everything.
She had no time to grab anything, okay? Like, it came so fast. Like, this is why people were abandoning their cars in the middle of the road, because the flames were moving so fast. There wasn't any time. And so I can't believe it. Everything is gone. My whole hometown is gone. My childhood home is gone. And thank God my mom is alive and she's okay. She's here with me. But it's just, we lost everything of material value. This is how it feels to lose absolutely everything. It is a feeling I would never wish upon my worst enemy. I just can't believe it. My best friend started a GoFundMe if you want to help out. I will link it down below, but I have no words. I feel like this is a nightmare and I just want to wake up.